Good morning, students. Previous class we stopped up to, then the problems up to 65. Next is 66. This is infinite charges. Infinite number of charges, each of value q, are placed on the x-axis. X equal to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 and 8 and so on. Centimeter scale with the units which are converting. In the question only underline it. Otherwise you may do mistake. Next, find the potential at x equal to 0 means at origin. All positions are given positive side only. All distances are kept like this. Then potential at this point because of the first charge, second charge and so on. These are the given as capital Q's. Same symbol you follow approach. R1, R2 and so on. The potential at any point is due to single charge is given by 1 by 4 to Q by R is a formula we have. Electric previously we have done the problems, no R square comes careful with that. Potential we get is only R. So potential at the origin is equals to sum of the potential V1 plus V2 plus V and so on. But here charges are same, distance are not same. So we can take as Q by R1, Q2 by R2 and so on we can take. To Q take out R1. Then you will get this is equals to distance is given as 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 4 and so on. You will get the denominators. But centimeter term is there, no, you have to be careful with this conversion. Don't forget to convert centimeter to meters. They will give meter, they will give centimeters. Next, this 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on. This 10 to the power minus 10 to the numerator becomes 10 to the power of 200 it is. So we get this is equals to 100 into 10 to the power of 2. Forgot to mention that. Next, this is nothing but equal to summation to infinite series. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on. The resultant of infinite series summation is nothing but equal to a by 1 minus r. A is the first point, first term, that is 1. So 1 by 1 minus r. R is common ratio. Common ratio always we take from the second to first term. So leaving the first this one, remaining you check 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 becomes equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. Putting the value here 1 and 1 by 2 in this expression. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus half is half. Denominator half means 2 to the numerator. So infinite summation R becomes equal to 2 only. Up to infinity if you have taken means 1 plus this half 1 by 0.25. Like that if you go on adding, the result is approximately actually equal to 2. So this whole thing is 2 only. So 2 will get as equals to 2Q into 10 to the power of 2 volts. Means 200 we can take also. So V naught at center is equals to 200 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught volts is the answer. 2 into the power of 2. Next question, 67. Two charges, 10 microcoulombs and minus 20 microcoulombs are separated by 10 centimeters. So R is equals to 10 centimeters. This is separation between the two charges. And one is positive charge, another one is negative charge. If you have taken like charges, both positive, both negative,
20 centimeters.
separation is 20 centimeters. If you take both like charges, both positive or both negative, then potential V will never be 0 because potential electric field will take the magnitude of the charge. Potential will take don't take magnitude of charge. Plus Q means plus Q, minus Q means minus Q. So total potential is V1 plus V2 if you are taking. Both positive means potential becomes plus 1. Both negative means potential becomes minus 1. Some positive or negative charges are there means potential possible to have 0. So we must have the positive or negative charges compulsorily to have the resultant potential equal to 0. So if you take the unlike charges, there are 2 points on the line joining the charges on which the potential is 0. 2 points are there. One is between the charges, another is outside. Question itself is between the charges, but I will tell you outside also related to this. So separation is R. This becomes equal to from the smaller charge, x is the distance we take. Q1, always take Q1 for the smaller charge easy by magnitude only. So we take as Q1 is 10 microcoulombs, Q2 is minus 20 microcoulombs. Okay, separation is nothing but equal to 20 centimeters. So here Q1 is less than Q2 by magnitude of charge. So this is a smaller ones. From Q1 only distance x. Whether this you take x or the outside you take as x prime from this. For remaining distance becomes equal to r minus x from here to here, or you take becomes equal to r plus x from the outside points. But question is for inside, both will do it. Distance where V equal to 0. is from smaller charge by magnitude, that is Q1. So if they give Q1, Q2 symbols also, make sure that smaller charge is taken as Q1. But if you are using this form, is x equal to, is a between charges I will give separately, x equal to R by Q2 by Q1 plus or minus 1. Plus if you take no between, minus if you take it means outside. Okay, between charges x equal to R by Q2 by Q1 plus 1, which is equals to R is 20 centimeters. Units as it is unique. Q2 by compulsory take magnitude, don't take minus Q2 plus whatever symbols are not included. Q2 by Q1 is 20 by 10. Micro units will be cancelled. So modulus plus 1. This cancels. 2 plus 1 is 3. Which is equals to 30 by 3 centimeters. This is going to be 6.666. You will get 67 centimeters. That is between charges. Outside charges are not asked, but we will discuss outside charges first. This is V1, V0, V0. But here this is X. This is from smaller charge. Sometimes they ask for the bigger charge R minus X. So that is between R minus X. From Q2 is R minus X is the distance. You find out how much is the electric. That is between the charges. Outside charges is extra calculated. Outside charges. We take x equal to R by Q2 by Q1 minus 1. That means 20 by, is going to be 20 by 10 minus 1, which is 20 by 2 minus 1 is 1, which is 20 centimeters. So outside is also given as 20 centimeters from Q1 is from smaller charge. From large charge what happens? R plus x prime. I am taking this as x prime. That is 20 centimeters. This is 20. So this already R is given as equals to 20. So what is the total distance from Q2 becomes is R plus x prime outside. Between what? R minus x prime. Outside is this relationship which I got. Next problem is 69th. Charge small q or q naught magnitude is moved from B to A. This is the direction of motion. B to A. This charge mode is Q. So Q is moved from B to A. In the electric fields of charge plus Q, means electric field in this area is produced by the charge plus Q. Electric field is this side produced by plus charge Q. Okay. The direction of electric field. But the charge mode is from B to A charge movement. So what is the work done in this process of moving the small charge Q with the electric field from B to A? Diagram you have to be careful which is A, which is B position because it is the distances. So what work done is always equal to move the charge is equals to charge you are moving into potential difference. Potential difference is W by Q naught from definition. So W becomes equal to or dW becomes equal to Q naught into the charge you are moving. Instead of Q naught we are given as Q symbol, that charge symbol only you have to take. So what that is dW or delta W I can take equal to Q naught into delta V or dV. dW is dV only. This is nothing but equal to Q naught into Q naught or Q. You are moving into final potential minus initial potential. Final position you take it up. So B to A. So this is going to be potential at this point is VB. Potential at this point is equal to VA. So we are moving from B to A. Always difference you take it as a final minus initial. B final minus B initial, which is equals to B. Final is A. B to A means final is A. So VA minus B. You have to be careful with this class. What is VA? From the diagram, distance is able to consider. Equal to VA. Potential is A because of capital Q is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into A minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into V. 4 pi epsilon naught take out common, Q also can take out common, QQ by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by A minus 1 by B is the answer. They may leave it like this only. Sometimes they will ask you with LCM. Take it. They will stop here only or take LCM. This denominator becomes equal to AB, numerator becomes equal to B minus C. So this also can be written as QQ by 4 pi epsilon naught into B minus A by AB or B. Next question is 70th one. Potential energy of a proton at a point. Previously we are taken is moving from one point to other point. We are taking the single point. Single point we are taking means other point must be at infinity. Potential at infinity is always zero. For any charge, potential is zero. Electric field is also zero, corresponding to any charge at infinity. This point you are taking an infinite distance from the charge. So here. But it's a single point you are taking with respect to initial infinity. One point is there. At that point, where you kept what proton is kept. Proton is nothing but equal to plus P charge. Is kept in this place. Okay. And it is having energy there. Energy there is already electric field is there. If there is no electric field, what to move the charge is zero. Electric field is there only. You have to move the work. You have to do some work by the to move the charge towards an angle. You have to do work. That field has to do work. So, but charge what you have only will have the energy, potential energy. Always remember. If there is a force, some force acting, compulsory there will be a potential energy. Okay, force is there, means potential energy will be there. So if there is no other charge here, there is no force on it. Okay, you have nothing is here. I got only one charge from infinite. I got it here. No other charge is there. No force will act on it. Force is acting means some other charge is there which is exerting the electric field around it. As a potential can exert the work on it. It can give an exert force on it. Then it will have the potential energy. So whatever work is done to bring the charge means here proton from infinity to this point in the field, in the position this point already field is there, some potential is there. The water is stored as a potential energy in this point, charge. So here charge, already potential is here because of some other charge. The some other charge may be source charge, not mentioned in the case, not required. So what I will bring from infinity to this point is nothing but equal to W. V equal to W by this charge here moving Q. So work is nothing but equal to potential energy. Work is equals to potential energy. V W. Therefore, which is energy, that is potential energy. So what is potential energy becomes is nothing but equal to V into Q. You are asked to find out what potential energy we asked. So work is equals to potential energy density. So V is nothing but equal to potential energy U by charge. You are given the U value. How much is U? 3.2 minus 18. So this value is nothing but equal to 3.2 minus 18 joules. And charge you are moving, Q is nothing but equal to proton charge. Proton charge equal to plus T is 1.6 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So we want potential. V equal to potential energy by Q. That is 3.2 to the power minus 18 by charge 1.6 to the power minus which equal to 1.6 2 times 32. This becomes equal to 19 plus 19. 2000 20 volts. So actually here some charge is there because of this charge some potential is here at distance. Because of this potential we keep the charge Q. So this charge we have the potential energy. So this is a source charge, we are not bothered them, we are discussing only this part. Next question, 71 question. Charges Q minus Q plus Q, 2Q. Okay, and one negative charge is 1 are at the coordinates of the equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle, all inner angle sides, inner angles equal, 60 degrees, all sides are equal length. Okay, and each side is given as length is equal to 0.15 meters. Already converted to meters. This is going to be R, which is 0.15 meters, means 50 centimeters. Next, each charge value is 1 microcoulomb. So this becomes equal to 1. This is going to be minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 microcoulombs. This is going to be plus 2 microcoulombs. So take it as Q1, Q2, Q3 we can take, but upper total not compulsory. Q1 is Q. Q2 is minus 4Q. Okay, and Q3 is plus 2Q. You are asked to find out the mutual potential energy. So this distance becomes equal to R12. If I take this Q1 and Q3, this is R13, and this becomes equal to R12. This becomes equal to R23. So total mutual potential energy is found between the two charges. If you take Q1, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon into R or R12. So you are taking the potential energy because of these two. Okay, U12. Potential because of these two, U23. U is the capital, U is the symbol for potential energy. Plus potential energy because of this. Work done to keep. What is the potential mutual potential energy? Is work done to bring the charges from infinity to form this system finite separation. Is called as a mutual potential energy. Because you do work on all the three charges to keep in this position. Bringing one charge, if you bring other charges will move. They should not move in that position, means you have to hold them all. So you are bringing imagination that we are bringing all like this and putting in this position and holding them. So what you are doing is stored as the energy this. That energy is called as a mutual potential energy for this system. Means correction of the charges separated some particular distance or separation. So here what the potential energy is U12 plus U3 like that here. Here distances are all equal. R12, R23, R13 is R is equals to 0.15 meters. All are equal. And Q1 is into 1 plus 1 microcoulombs, means 10 to the power of minus 6 we will convert 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Q2 is minus 4Q, minus 4 microcoulombs, minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Q3 is 2Q, 2 into Q, Q is 1 microcoulomb mentioned, so 2 microcoulombs plus 1, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Total potential energy is equals to potential energy. This is nothing but mutual potential energy. U equal to U12 plus U23 plus U13. Order not compulsory. You can take U12, U13, etc. U equal to, what is U12? U1, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon 2 R12 plus Q2, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon into R23 plus Q1, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon into R13. Okay, actually you should not write all these steps because you know the formula of this. Directly you have to go for the substitution of the values. U equal to separate charges multiplication by distance. Okay, so just multiplication R square don't come, you come only R, that's the difference. Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2 means what? 1 into minus 1 is 1 into minus 4. Multiplication micro into micro, 10 to the power of minus 6 and 10 to the power of minus 6. I am taking it out common, 10 to the power of minus 12. So I am taking it out common by R12 is R only 0.15. That also we can take out common. So I write this as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 10 to the power of minus 12 also take out common. Into R is 0.15. Take out common. So that is Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2 means 1 into minus 4 plus Q2, Q3. Q2, Q3 minus 4 into 2 plus Q1, Q3 1 into 2. The result, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Sometimes when you use the symbol only, you leave it with the symbol. If values given is values you put. So I am writing this equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon into 10 to the power of minus 12 by 0.15 into, this is minus 4 minus 8, minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12, minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10 into minus 10. Okay, this is going to be 90. 9 into 10 is 90, negative 7 of course. 90 by 15. It's 4 times. 15 4 is 90. So 4 new comes in numerator. 0.15 means 100 comes in numerator. So if I remove this decimal, I remove this decimal into 100. 2 is equals 2 decimal points. So it is 90 by 15 is 4. 4 into 100 is 4 only. Just write it as 4 into the remaining are converted to parts. Minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9. I'm sorry. 15 is 6. 15 4 is 16. No? 6 times. 16. And you are no, this is going to be minus 10. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1 joules, which is equals to 0.6 joules. You don't have to write all this, you just directly go to the last step. You must be able to do. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q1 Q2. Okay, Q1 Q2 only will be taken in the bracket by R only, and power if they are given the micro etc. that conversion also do in the numerator. So you must be able to do directly. It's to save the time. But the problems can be given in the P theory. Then you must write all these steps. Next question is a metal sphere of radius r, conducting sphere of radius r, has a charge q on the surface. Find the surface potential energy. Okay, but this is the surface energy. Energy previously we taken that when you have the charges there, no, some other charge producing the potential, and then you have bringing other charge in the place, that is the potential energy for that. But here we are taking the same surface. If you take any surface, it will not be sphere. Any surface, it will not be metal also. If you are putting charge, already the charge has a field around it. Already, for example, I give one positive charge on it. I am bringing one more positive charge on this only. What happens? There is a repulsion between these two. So that will not let this come up onto its surface. Already I have one positive charge. I want to have one more positive charge. Already positive charge will not like that coming to onto it. But once it touches, it cannot go out also. So touching the surface, it will stick to the surface. If electron added, electron atom is minus charge. One more electron if I put to already existing negative charge will repel it. Try to repel. But once it touches, it cannot take it out. It will stick to the surface only. To take out, they require a very high potential or high repulsion between the charges. So every charge on the surface has a repulsion between the other. So that surface that is energy is called as a surface energy. If you put the charges on the surface, they try to go away from each other on the surface only. So they will try to go away. They cannot jump out. If they can jump out, if they are depending on the electric strength of the surrounding medium. If the surrounding medium is able to conduct, let the charges come in, then only they can jump. Otherwise, they cannot jump. So direct strength already we have discussed that. For air, direct strength is 3 million electric field, nothing but equal to 3 to the power of 6 volt per meter. That much electric field is there around it, then only they can jump into the air. So here, the charges will be having the repulsion between them, so they try to go to the axis of rotation from each other. That means there is a force between them. Whenever the force is there, there is a potential energy. The potential energy on the surface is nothing but called as a mutual potential energy. And if you take the soap bubble, if you give a charge, there is a repulsion. So soap bubble size always increases, whether you give positive or negative charge. The reason is soap bubble is flexible, able to move. But if you take any other spheres, no, like metal sphere, if you take the surface cannot expand easily. But force is acting on the between the molecule and molecules because the charges on the surface are atom to atom. Repulsion force will be there. Okay, that force produces the energy on the surface, that is called as a surface energy. Okay. Same formula as before, but small variation comes is denominator. Again, half x 1 by 4.5 into half. That formula. But q becomes equal to q square. What is the coordinate formula for done is equals to for small button, small charge dq are adding a surface if you are taken, and the work is becomes equal to v dq. What is the v on the surface of the sphere? Already we have discussed this. V surface, the surface sphere on surface, on near surface. V equal to q by 4 by epsilon into r. Is the formula. Put in the value here. So potential energy and surface energy is becomes equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. This is a common naught. B. Only q variable. dq indicates what q is variable. So integration of q dq. Q values are changing from 0 to q. So until the charge becomes equal to total charge Q and final potential becomes equal to V. So related to that we are discussing relations. So integration of x dq, x dx. Integration of x dx is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square, means it becomes equal to q square. Q square by 2. So this becomes equal to half of this. And substitution of this limit is known. Initial starting value 0 is there, means no need to substitute. Final value is substitute. So this becomes equal to q square by 2 into 1 by 4 by epsilon. Q limits are 0 to q and put only the final q square minus 0. So this becomes equal to q square by 8 pi minus. But remember this you don't have to work out surface energy of the sphere is q square by 2 extra terms. Q is there, no, q by 2 extra terms compared to potentials. Two metal spheres are connected with a metal wire. In the question number 73, two charged metal spheres are radii A and B are connected with a metal wire. Then charge will travel from the sphere of high potential to sphere of low potential until both get the common potential. Important thing is whenever the objects are connected or any conductor connected to the earth, its potential is zero. Remember that. Earth connected any conductor, potential is zero. Charge may be there by other means, but potential is zero. So, but in this case, when they connected, no common potential will take it up. V common. So this is going to be electric field is EA, this electric field is going to be EB. V is common. E and V relations want E equal to V by R relation is there. So V is same here. So what it is EA equal to V by its radius and EB equal to its potential by radius is V. V is same here. Take it as VA and VB. But VA equal to V